Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a project with the right resolution and 30 FPS so motion stays smooth. Choose 16, 9 if for YouTube. Once done, import your clips, images, and audio via the plus menu and place them on the timeline. Make sure to rename and group related layers immediately. This prevents confusion when you add effects. You will save time and avoid mistakes later, because organized layers let you target edits precisely rather than hunting through a crowded timeline. You animate by setting keyframes on position, scale, and rotation. Tap the diamond to add a keyframe, move the playhead, adjust values, and Alight Motion interpolates between them. Once you have motion, apply effects like color correction or blur from the effects panel and tweak sliders to match mood. This explains why color and sharpness matter for perceived motion quality. Make sure to use easing on keyframes to avoid robotic movement. Choose ease in or ease out for natural acceleration and deceleration. You finalize by previewing the full timeline and fixing any timing or overlap issues. Mute or solo layers to isolate problem areas. Once satisfied, open Export, select MP4, set resolution and bitrate to balance quality and file size, then export. If the app lags or frames skip during preview or export, clear the cache, lower preview quality, or reduce resolution temporarily. This helps because performance issues usually come from high-res assets or limited device memory. So manage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.